Okay, live payroll run. These are the steps and pay scale type, pay scale area, payroll USA subsequent activities. Oh, I guess I'll have to relog in. Human resources, payroll USA. Payroll USA. Subsequent activity. For payroll period evaluation. For payroll period evaluation and posting to accounting. Posting to accounting. Okay. Okay. Posting run for payments, process, posting run, check completeness. These are four parts of the whole process. Execute, then payments, and then process. Once the payments and integrations are done, then they process it. That means it posts on real time, and then we check for any errors and completeness. Okay. Okay, SAP Payroll, 40 countries payroll is available. And this is the program that runs at the back end. Let me just have a look at it. SC38. RPKLC 0. Come on. Okay, symbolic accounts. Now, what are symbolic accounts? Now, this is the integration point for FI and HR. It posts payroll slips to accounting system through cost centers, okay, and through symbolic accounts. Display will display this program. Now, U0 is your US payroll, RPKLC U0. HR user wage types, symbolic accounts, and from FI side, it's accounts payable or receivable, an accounting system. So symbolic accounts are the bridge. Okay. The schema that we're using is U000. In other SAP systems, it's US00. This is the program, RPKLC U0. T code is this. And behind this this T code is the program RPKLC U0. Okay, and this is the program. There are tables, there are include programs. Now, include programs are imported programs that integrate with this main program. Okay, so it's a long program where all the payroll is basically standardized by SAP. And I'll paste this. Payroll period, we've already seen this. Okay. And country grouping is 10, which is the US country code. And wage types is basically the heart of HR. So let's go and check SPRO. Personnel management, admin, payroll data. Basic pay, pay scale area, default pay scale, data, set up payroll periods, hourly rates. We've already seen this, but we'll just give it a look. Payroll, personnel management. Personnel admin. Payroll data. Payroll data, basic pay. Okay. For PCR and collective, we've already seen this. Okay. We'll just have a bird's eye view of this and we'll create a screenshot. Let's go forward. Okay. Wage types. Wage types. Okay, we'll open this. Create wage type catalog, M02. We've already seen this as well. Check wage type group, basic pay 66963366. Check wage type catalog, check type text, PS salary, save. Okay, check entry permissibility info type new entries. Let's okay, position C, Caltex active. Okay, we'll take a screenshot later on. Let's jump to wage types, create wage type catalog, which I believe we've already created. Copy, continue, and best way, Benetton. We've not created this. Caltex, yes, we've already created this. Text is pay scale. We've already created PS salary and check wage type text 3372 cal text. Okay. Wage type catalog. We'll go back. Wage type catalog. Okay, check wage type text. All right. And ours is Caltex 3371 text. ESL. Okay. Okay, save. Check entry permissibility info type. New entries, wage types. Okay, 3371 is the number. Info type. And 01/2024. Okay, this is also good. Permissibility for info type. Entry permissibility info type 3371. All right. Personal sub area and employee subgroup grouping. Personal sub area. Now 0 to 9, if you remember, we had that masking configuration that we did for working days, for half days, and off days. And that is basically spread on a scale of 0 to 9. So it's 10. 7 till 7 is working days, and then the rest are your half days, off days, and you actually permit wage type employee subgroup, not permissible. Wage type employee subgroup grouping, permissible. Wage type for employee subgroup grouping, permissible with warning. Okay. So in that case, when we are actually creating pay scales or calculating pay scales for normal days till 7, okay, it will actually allow you and permit you for days that can be charged or not, half days, off days, or public holidays. Okay. Wage types will be applicable to these days. Okay. You're allowing dates. Check wage type characteristics. Characteristics, okay. Double click. Okay, add to total. Input combination. We'll keep it default. Module variant, reduction method, rounding type. Basically, whenever you are calculating pay scales, these are some of the controls that you will allow for your wage types. 3371. Of course, you can change as well where wage types will differ for various working classes for employee subgroups. Okay, this is also done. Employee subgroups for primary wage types. Employee subgroups for primary wage types. Okay, 3 and 3 is grouping F1. Let's see what these legends, these numbering legends mean and what are the available options. Employee subgroup grouping for primary wage types is a grouping of employee subgroups with the same primary wage types. Okay, it's allowed you to restrict specific wage types to certain employee groups. Of course, if you have divisions like contractual, contractors, permanent, or offshore or onshore workers. Okay. For that, of course, we can have a different wage calculation type. Okay. Employee sum of primary wage types, personal sub areas for primary wage type. Okay, Caltex office, Caltex factory, PS grouping. Let's see what are the input options available to us. Personal sub area for primary wage type maintenance is a division of personal sub areas for which the same primary wage types are permitted. You can restrict grouping for primary wage types and standard wage type maintenance to include particular personal sub areas only. Okay, we have 4 and 4. So let's keep it 4 and 4. Save. That was saved. Earlier we did it for employee subgroups for work schedules, collective provisions. What is primary wage type? We have utilized company group 10, J, 3 and 3. This is giving 3 and 3, and we have done is 4 and 4. Grouping based on primary wage type, M02 copied to, applies to both employee subgrouping. Okay, let's keep it 4 and 4. Fair enough. Wage type, okay, Benetton. Personal sub areas for primary wage type.